This is Ivan Bates, and Ivan Bates took an oath to protect the Constitution and defend the residents of the state of Maryland. Ivan Bates is the new face of old Jim Crow. This is my rebuttal, my public rebuttal to the Baltimore Beat's article about Ivan Bates. That's Ivan Bates, and he had this information since January 24th, 2023. That's Ivan Bates. That's the FCC, because I filed this paperwork with the FCC years ago. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. That's the Supreme Court of the United States. I was making a documentary about Baltimore and your courts, your corruption in your courts. That's me, Davis versus Illinois. All right, in regards to your Chief Justice Roberts, April of 2007, under Article 3 of the Constitution, jurisdiction, all right, rules of the Supreme Court. I asked Ivan Bates to file a writ of certiorari to approach the Supreme Court. Ivan Bates got my information and knowledge of the corruption in Baltimore City. That's Ivan Bates, States Attorney's Office. You're blocked. Ivan Bates blocked me because I hold him accountable. That is design. It's a movie and a documentary. That's Attorney General Anthony Brown. He got it too. That's Attorney Anthony Brown. And this is what Ivan Bates has. See the date? Grand jury for criminal charges. That's Ivan Bates. That's Ivan Bates. That's Jared Jimenez. You see who that is? Leaders of a Beautiful Struggle. All right? Mary Washington. Jill P. Carter. You see who's here? Rob Fix, my producer. The ACLU. All right? Ivan Bates, you're going to take the oath of office on January 3rd. Got a movie all about Ivan Bates. Ivan Bates and his climb to his position of power called Shoot. It's called Ivan Bates. Ivan Bates and Shorty. You took an oath of office to defend the Constitution. You need to return that mail. You need to make this mail public for the people. You need to turn this mail over to the Baltimore Beat. You need to turn it over to the Department of Justice. And y'all need to have a trial about Scott Shellenberger. That's Ivan Bates. That's Dwayne Davis, 1402 Lochner. I was kidnapped from my home because I was making a documentary about the Democratic Party. Filming a documentary. All right? You got that? About racism. That's Barbara Mikulski in 2009. That's ABC 2. And I broke down your criminal enterprise. I broke it down. So Ivan Bates, turn over this information for the people so the voters can see the truth. That's the FCC. That's Stephanie Smith. She got it too. Stephanie Smith got this book. I went to Annapolis day before yesterday on Wednesday. And I went to McCaskill's office and I went to Delegate Sheila Roof's office. I gave y'all this information. Baltimore City. Shorty, pull your mask up? No. These are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. And Ivan Bates is shielding that. Ivan Bates ain't doing his job. If you have knowledge of corruption, you're supposed to report that. It's misrepresentation of a felony. If you don't, you can be disbarred. You can't use your office to protect the corruption in Baltimore. You took an oath. I'm going to hold you to it.